Looking for a reliable blade that can handle everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, and long-term use? Best pocket knives of all time on Amazon. These top-rated picks combine durability, sharp performance, and dependable designs, trusted by knife enthusiasts everywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Kizer C01C Sheepdog Pocket Knife. The Kizer C01C Sheepdog XL is an impressive folding knife designed for users who prefer a larger, more substantial tool in their pocket. Its oversized 3.9-inch blade and generous handle provide excellent control, making it especially comfortable for people with larger hands or those who frequently wear work gloves. The ergonomic design allows for a secure grip that remains comfortable even during extended cutting sessions. Whether you're opening boxes, cutting rope, preparing camp materials, or tackling everyday tasks, the Sheepdog feels balanced and dependable. The D2 steel blade delivers strong edge retention and durability, helping it stay sharp through repeated use. A black stone-washed finish not only adds a rugged appearance, but also helps conceal scratches from daily wear. The textured G10 handle enhances grip in wet or dry conditions, adding confidence during use. Thanks to its smooth ball bearing pivot system, deployment is fast and effortless with one hand. For anyone seeking a robust EDC knife with excellent cutting performance and a distinctive design, the Kizer Sheepdog XL is a strong contender. Number 2. Kershaw Leek 1660 BWK Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Leek remains one of the most popular everyday carry knives for good reason. Its slim profile makes it exceptionally easy to carry, slipping comfortably into a pocket without adding unnecessary bulk. Despite its lightweight construction, the knife feels solid and well built in hand. The 3-inch drop-point blade is crafted from Sandvik 14C28N steel, a material known for its excellent balance of sharpness, toughness, and corrosion resistance. This makes the Leek suitable for a wide range of daily cutting tasks, from opening packages to handling light outdoor chores. Assisted opening provides quick blade deployment with minimal effort, while the frame lock keeps the blade securely in place during use. The stainless steel handle offers a clean, modern appearance and provides a confident grip. Additional safety comes from the tip lock slider, which prevents accidental opening while carried. Compact, reliable, and easy to maintain, the Kershaw Leek is an outstanding choice for anyone who values practicality, quality craftsmanship, and effortless everyday performance.
Number 3. Kershaw Blur Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Blur is a dependable everyday carry knife that successfully blends durability, cutting performance, and user comfort. One of its standout features is the slightly recurved blade design, which enhances slicing efficiency while still maintaining excellent piercing capability. Made from high-performance 14C28N stainless steel, the blade offers reliable edge retention and strong corrosion resistance, making it suitable for demanding daily use. The black Cerakote coating adds another layer of protection while giving the knife a rugged, tactical appearance. In hand, the anodized aluminum handle feels sturdy without becoming overly heavy. The TrackTech grip inserts are particularly useful, providing a secure hold in wet, cold, or slippery conditions. Kershaw's assisted opening system allows for fast one-handed deployment, making the knife ready when needed. The inset liner lock holds the blade firmly in place during use, contributing to safe operation. Whether used at work, outdoors, or around the house, the Blur delivers consistent performance and durability. It's a practical option for users who need a hard-working knife built for everyday challenges. Number 4. Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight. The Spyderco Tenacious Lightweight has earned a strong reputation among knife enthusiasts thanks to its impressive balance of value, functionality, and reliability. Designed for everyday use, it features a full flat-ground 8CR13 MOV stainless steel blade that cuts efficiently through a wide variety of materials. The blade geometry supports smooth slicing performance while remaining durable enough for tougher jobs.
One of the knife's greatest strengths is the lightweight fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, which significantly reduces carry weight without sacrificing durability. Spyderco's signature bidirectional texture pattern provides a secure grip, helping maintain control during detailed cutting work or heavier tasks. The knife also features the company's trusted one-handed opening system, making deployment quick and convenient. A sturdy liner lock keeps the blade securely in place throughout use, adding confidence and safety. Another practical advantage is the 4-position pocket clip, allowing users to customize their preferred carry style. For anyone looking for an affordable, dependable, and versatile everyday carry knife, the Spyderco Tenacious remains an excellent option.
Number 5. Kershaw Iridium Reverse Pocket Knife. The Kershaw Iridium Reverse stands out as a modern folding knife that combines sleek styling with practical everyday performance. Its gray anodized aluminum handle gives the knife a refined appearance while maintaining the durability needed for daily use. The handle feels comfortable in hand and offers a secure grip without adding unnecessary weight. At the heart of the knife is a D2 tool steel blade, known for its excellent wear resistance and long-lasting edge retention. This allows the Iridium Reverse to handle routine cutting tasks with ease, while requiring less frequent sharpening. The knife opens smoothly thanks to Kershaw's KVT ball bearing system, providing fast and reliable deployment through the thumb studs. A major highlight is the Duralock crossbar mechanism, which offers secure lockup and easy ambidextrous operation. The deep carry pocket clip keeps the knife discreetly tucked away while remaining easy to access. Combining attractive aesthetics, durable materials, and smooth functionality, the Kershaw Iridium Reverse is a well-rounded EDC knife suitable for both new and experienced users. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.